Right now I am at Legacy Place. Apple's over there in the distance. I had to go fix my phone. There was an issue with the touch sensor. So I'm over here now. And the parking lot is full. This is the view of the parking lot from the parking garage. There's tons of people. Hi, Alexander. Oh, you're rolling up the window? Alexander, we are waiting for the elevator right now.
Where?
We are at Legacy Place. So, my phone has a problem and we need to fix it, so I'm gonna pick it up. It's supposed to be ready at 4. So Alex and I are waiting for Mommy right now, right? She is trying something on. So we're just in the store, H&M. Alexander is in the stroller because it's easier. The cars are there because there's tons of traffic, Alexander. Let's see. Yep, there are a lot of cars.
Can I see?
We're gonna go in this store, Alex. Here, see? There's you and I, right? Is that Alexander? Oh, you can't touch that one.
I want to go walk.
Huh?
I want to go walk. May I try?
You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, here, hold on. Hold it. You can hold it like this, so you can't touch that, okay?
Okay.
See, it's recording Alexander.
I can do go right.
Huh?
I can go right down.
Oh, okay.
Beep, 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 beep.
We are at Uniqlo right now. And Mommy is with Alex.
Oh my god, 你看你脏掉，你看 look. Alex,
Uh-oh.
careful.
Alexander, what did you do? Are you silly? Hey, don't do that. So we're shopping around.
Is that it?
Train?
Look! This
不不，我不希望你这样跳。
Look!
对你过去，但是你不要这样跳过去。你要去拿大大的手，你要是要跳完去吗？
Oh, there!
就是往前走。
Right there!
Oh, in there?
去店，他们往前走。还有往前走。
Watch where you're going, okay?
What you going? Huh?
You have superpowers?
Look!
Okay. Right now we are at Whole Foods and there are all these beautiful cakes. Yeah. What is that? Is that a turtle, Alexander?
Yeah.
Let's put this panda on top.
Yeah, Nemo, that's right, Nemo's friend.
That's right. It's like Crush.
我的手都跟抱着他一下，啊，你来放一下，好多乌龟哦，
Mommy and Alex are trying cheese at Whole Foods right now. Alexander, how do you like it?
That's the same.
It's not good?
I want this one.
It's this one, right? They are the same, Alex.
I like this.
Yeah, it's because it's the outside, Alex.
Look, see, this is the same. It's the outside. Okay? That's right.
Oh, they are the same. I you buy.
好，那你再吃一口，我才拜。来，再吃一口。自己来。大口的了。
Right now we are at Whole Foods and we're eating. I got some food over here. I got some mashed potatoes and turkey and chicken and meatballs.
You buy. Yeah.
直接手拿着。
Do you spy anything, Alex?
I buy. I buy daddy.
You spy daddy? You're funny, Alexander.
I buy. Look, I gotta show you.
Oh wow, I see that.
Don't throw it now. I know what you're doing.
What are you spying? Dirty water? What did you eat? Let's see. You ate some meatballs. I put my chicken in there.
I don't like it.
How come you don't like it?
I like it because this is A.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
The chicken?
Yeah,
Oh. How come? The chicken's delicious.
not delicious.
No?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't like it. Very impossible.
It's very impossible?
It's very difficult to eat because I have this.
Oh.
I don't want it because it's very difficult.
That's not
It's
good.
very difficult.
你要说 I don't want it.
I don't want it, Dad.
Okay. All right. Good enough answer. Is it yummy? Alright, so we are at Whole Foods. There's still a lot of traffic outside. It's a Christmas season, holiday shopping. At least I got my phone back.